Hello, happy Tuesday. I've had 2 appointments today. I just finished up my second one. I have one more to go at 5 p.m. so in about an hour and 20 minutes. I'm going to eat, I'm going to clean my tools, and I actually have to make some airbrush stencils for that client because we were doing gingham and lobster nails, which is so cute. All airbrushed. It's going to be really, really fun, so I'm excited for that. But I wanted to show you something. My last client just brought me a whole pile of books. I am very excited to read all these, so I'm gonna go through all these. I know some of them, like I think this one I've definitely seen lots of people talk about, so I'm excited to get going through these. I think this one here as well. Some of these are definitely on my Goodreads, wanting to read them. But I get all my books through the Libby app for my Kobo, so there's a wait list obviously on a lot of books. So I haven't been able to read any of them, but now I have a big old pile, so I'm quite excited. Yeah, so I wanna like look through all these and see which one I wanna start, because I'm not currently reading anything and I haven't read anything in weeks actually. Let me check my Goodreads because I'm curious. It's been a while. I have a bunch of books actually that have come up available on Libby that I've just been like pushing back. Oh, Trial of the Sun Queen, that's what I read last. I finished reading it 20 days ago. It's been 20 days since I've read anything, which maybe my work productivity has improved, but you know what? Not enough for me to not read. So I'm gonna get into some of these. I'm gonna go with Wednesday. 2 appointments today. The first one a Mystery Manny, the second one is a tier 2. So it's gonna be a fun day. I just got Starface pimple patches and I love them. I have some friends on my face, so they're there to cover those up. And that's about it. Nothing to report. This morning, my client that gave me all the books yesterday, this morning I went through all the books, read all the synopsis on them, and then added them all to my Goodreads, which some of them were already in my want to read Goodreads. So I'm pretty excited about that, and tried to put them in an order of how I think I would want to read them. Oh, but actually, speaking of books, I need to go through my Libby and I need to postpone. I've had a few books come through. I need to postpone those because I want to start on something else. just finished my first appointment and got all cleaned up, and it was so cute. That's it. But now I have a cookie I get to enjoy that Pat got me on the way to work today. It is a cowboy cookie, so it's really just got everything in it, and it's gluten-free. And I still have a coffee. What a delightful little treat. Okay, Pat got me this Peach Riot blind box for Christmas. It is July. I haven't opened it yet. So why don't we open it? They're literally all so cute. I like Frankie Diva, but like I'm obsessed with all of them for different reasons. Whatever the secret is, she looks really cute. Space buns and a guitar. Anyways, so let's open this up. I don't know why I haven't opened this up until now. Here in the box part. Why is this so hard to get into? Okay, there's some accessories there. I'm not gonna look. Cute! Oh my god, who is she? Gigi Brainstormer. Oh my god, she's so cute. And her little cat with bat wings. That's so cute. And her little over-ear headphones. Oh my god, I love her. What a cool fit too. Definitely a me outfit. And so she comes with a little chair to sit on and a little tiny pencil. That's so cute. Okay, we need to set her up somewhere in here. Oh, that's so fun. I can't believe I took so long to open her. Get it together, Rebecca. Oh my god, the pencil, the way it like threads into her hand there. That's so cute. And then this is the little stool she can just perch on. Because she has like a moving part, the chair, like she has to balance on, I think one of the top two shelves, because less stuff moves there. But she'd also look really cute here. Oh, maybe here. Oh my god, two gingers. Cute. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I love. And then all my other little friends. Some of these clients have given me. Some of them I've gotten in Japan. This baby brat was from a client. This was a wedding gift from a client, my baby brat. I love her. Inside this, I don't know if I've shown you guys this, is the cutest little charm. Oh, it's really hard to get out with my nails. But when I went to Japan and Furby did my nails, this is the charm she put on my nails. And I saved it. Oh my god, I can just switch hands. I forgot I have short nails on this hand. Anyways, I saved this little charm when I was removing my nails, and I stuck it in this little box, little treasure box for safekeeping. So cute. Thursday. I have two appointments today. The first one a tier 1, the second one a solid color, both builder, and then I am headed back home to work on my YouTube video. I have a vlog going up tomorrow. Gotta get that all finished up. Posted a Substack this morning. If you don't follow me on Substack, go check that out. It's linked down below. But the Substack was on client red flags, and due to the amount of subscribers I'm getting on Substack after posting this one, I'm gonna say people are curious as to know what my client red flags are. So go check that out. It's directed towards like nail techs and industry people and what I consider a red flag and like why I wouldn't book someone in. Just a few little bits and pieces and the reasons why and stuff. But yeah, so that's what I just posted this morning. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my client to arrive. She might be a couple minutes late because of the TTC, as per usual, always wreaking havoc on everyone's schedules. But that's about it. So I'm just gonna finish. Actually, I'm already set up. I'm just gonna sit down and wait and enjoy sitting. I am tired today. Hello, happy Saturday. I'm just getting ready for my first client to arrive. She's gonna be here in about 15 minutes. I have 2 appointments today, and then I have to go back to IKEA because I was off yesterday, bought something at IKEA, went to go build it. One of the pieces wasn't fitting. I then go online after I've definitely stripped a screw or two to find that everyone says that the instructions are wrong. You can't actually build it the way it says. And I'm an IKEA queen, so I actually pride myself in how well I build IKEA. I literally could not get this one to work. So, but because I've stripped everything, I can't use those pieces anymore, so I have to go back, return it, rebuy it. And that's what my evening is looking like, because tomorrow we have a TaskRabbit coming in to install a bunch of things on our walls for us, because I need them installed safely and securely, not by these hands. Although I did install these on myself after the TaskRabbit literally botched it, had them falling on the wall. But we have a good TaskRabbit now, Alex. We love him. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly get ready because my client will be here shortly, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, I have about 20 minutes until my next client arrives, and she wants to do a recreation of a set that I've already done, but this time in pink. Now there's a few hearts and star charms in that set, so I'm gonna quickly make them using this mold that I bought. What I've actually been loving using in my molds is my zigzag gel from Jello Jello. It's like these like tubed embo gels, 3D gels, whatever, and I've been really enjoying using them in the molds. I find that it just goes in really easily, so I'm gonna quickly do that. I believe I need 2 black stars and a pink heart. Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly create those. So I thought I'd show you guys because it is really easy. I think I'll go with that one right there. And the stars are actually, one's gonna be a pinky. So maybe I'll do that one and then the smaller version on that side. And what's nice is that I can cure these all at the same time. I'll just grab my lamp. So I'm gonna do the stars in black and I'm gonna do the heart in pink. There's just a little bubble in that top corner there, so I'm just gonna grab a little liner brush and get in there. Okay, I'm gonna pop these guys in. And I'm gonna run my bandy lamp on infinity mode just while because I want those to be fully cured. So I'm gonna let it run for a couple minutes and I'm gonna flip it and let it run for a couple more minutes. Because especially when using gels like black gels, they're a little bit harder to penetrate with the light. So I wanna make sure they're fully cooked. So I'm gonna just let those run for a while. One of the great things about that bandy light, infinity mode, love it. Okay, I am off. I'm headed home or to get a rental car and then to IKEA and then off for a busy weekend. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.